guys, I am Sam. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to create gaming intro in few minutes. So let's get started. So simply you can open any browser like I am opening Chrome on your PC or mobile. I am recording my video on PC because it is pretty more big screen to see. So let's get into the video. After opening Chrome, search Panzoid or panzoid.com. Then click on this link of officialpanzoid.com. By the way, I will provide the link in description as well. Then you can see here, there are many types of intro templates, you can choose any one of them. And if you want more templates, then click on more creations as you see here. Then choose one of the template. After selecting a template, click on Open in Clipmaker. After opening, select the objects as you can see here. After that, click on Text. Then change the text as I would like to create my intro name Sam. Then of course I will write Sam here. And make sure that you have changed all the text as I am doing now. After changing text, press enter. Then go to download option. Then select mode. If you need high quality, then you can choose it, otherwise I will prefer you to download in good quality. After that, click on Start Video Render. After completing the rendering, it will ask you where to save the video, then you can select Download Path. Then click on Save. As you can see, my intro is ready to watch now. Thank you guys for watching this video till here.
It's not a game, it's a